Hello to you all, and I welcome you on this special journey where we solve algebraic equations which comes in Mains Olympiad. So our new video in this video we are going to solve the equation that is x plus 2xy plus y is nothing but 22, and we have to solve in such a way that x and y both are positive integers. I can simply say that what this line want to say is x and y are positive integers. That means x should be greater than equal to 1 and y should also be greater than equal to 1. This is what this whole line wants to convey. Now, to solve this equation, I'm writing it again, but to make you understand, the thing is x plus 2xy plus y is given as 22. If you observe clearly, when we solve an equation and try to make factors, we divide the middle term in such a way that our two of the factors comes from this, we take so that we can take common part out of it, and we need two common parts. What I find it, what we do is we multiply coefficient of x where it is 1 with coefficient of this where it is 1, and 1 into 1 becomes 1. So that won't help us. That won't help us because here it is 2. So we have to take something as common. So what we should do, we can multiply it with 2 so that it will become 4. It will become 2x, 2y. So 2x, 2y multiply will give 4xy. That can ease our question, ease our problem. So I'm multiplying the whole equation with 2. I'm multiplying whole equation with 2. This simply becomes 2x plus 4xy plus 2y is equal to 44. This now explains that I can take something as common. I can take something as common. So here I'm taking common as 2x. 2x is taken common. What I'm left is 1 plus 2y. Okay, I'm left with 1 plus 2y. If I want to take the same thing as common from here also, I need 1 plus 2y here also, but it is not necessary. We have 2y, but we do not have 1. So what I can do is I can add 1 here and here. Both sides I am adding 1. So it will become my 2y plus 1 is equal to 44 plus 1. It will ease our problem. Now what I can do is, this is nothing but 2x. I'm interchanging these things. 2y plus 1 plus 1, 2y plus 1 is nothing but 45. From here, I come to the conclusion that it's nothing but 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2y plus 1 is our 45. Since x and y are both integers, I'm trying to use this thing to solve it here. If my x is greater than 1, y is greater than 1, this implies 2x is greater than 2 and 2y is greater than 2. Okay, now what we have is 2x plus 1. So now 2x plus 1 should be greater than equal to 3 and 2y plus 1 should be greater than equal to 3. That means I have to divide 45 in such a way that the factors of it can be 3 or more than 3. So how does 45 becomes? It becomes by 3 multiplied by 15 or 15 multiplied by 3. Moreover, if I'm going to increase 3, I can also write it 9 into 5 or 5 into 9. Except these 4 conditions, we are not left with any other condition where these conditions are also met. Like we cannot do is 1 into 45 because I have to make it more than 3 or less than 3. Okay, so all the 4 conditions are written over here as I can simply write 3 here we are talking about here 2x plus 1 and 2y plus 1. Once I can take it as 3 and here as 5. This will give my x is equal to 2x plus 1 is 3. That simply means 2. X becomes my 1 and here y becomes my 2. Okay, if I'm taking 2x plus 1 as 3 and 2y plus, I have to take it 15 and y becomes my 7. Okay, I have taken 5 from here. It was not needed. So here, now if this is the first condition, second condition was if I take it as 15 and this as 3, that will give me x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. This will give us x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. If I'm taking, this was second thing, if I'm taking this has to be 9 and this has to be 5, this has to be 5. Now 2x plus 1 is 9, this will give me, this conditions gives me this, these two, this condition gives me this. Now these conditions will give me 2x plus 1 is 9, that simply gives x is nothing but 4 and 2y, y is nothing but 2. X is nothing but 4 and y. If I take the reverse one, 5 and 9, this will give me x is nothing but 2 and y is nothing but 4. Okay, so this is how the things are. These are the solution. These are the solution for this equation. It seemed in the early beginning that how, look, we are solving, as you might have seen from our past videos, that we are solving so many questions with a single equation, which seem to be a problematic one, because if it is often said that if you want to solve two variables question, you need two equations, but with logic you can come out to other solutions also. So keep subscribing to our channel and spread it as much as you can. Thank you. We'll meet again. Bye bye.